Hello guys, now also the date also for 10:25, 9 o'clock and 1. Wind speed also 11.8, sometimes too much wind speed, coming high. Stop operation. This is my area. See that? Behind of the sea, and the other crane stop operation because wind speed too much high, not possible to lifting. Every morning check. And this one the wind speed monitor, nanometer also check. I will check. Slowly, but if you can see the computer monitor, 13 ms. Convert also kilometers, maybe this one 50 something, because 9 ms equivalent of 32 kilometers. This is my unit, 90 tons Sunny SRC 900 tons, that 90 tons also. Hello guys, thank you for supporting my video and subscribe my small channel. I hope you are enjoy watch my video. Thank you so much. See that stop operation all crane here in Saudi Arabia because not possible and safety too much tension about the lifting. And I will put also the monitor every time, every hours, every check after AP safety. And why also not put the wind speed. This is my area, you see. Only my video too much dark, blurred.